Okay. So, this is my second time filming this video. So if I have one eye that has mascara on it, you're gonna understand why in a second, okay? But first, to explain why we're here, this little baby. So, Colourpop decided that they were gonna have mystery bags. And I was excited because the mystery bag was $25 for $55 worth of product. So, I mean, who doesn't love Colourpop? I don't know, maybe there are some people out there, but I love Colourpop. So I said, well, why not? I was already trying to get more products. I needed a backup for Shayla's Neat Freak, and I needed a backup of the BFF liner. So I was like, you know what? This is perfect. I was hoping for a eyeshadow palette, but I guess that was a little too much to hope for. But there are some really good goodies in this bag, and I wanted to talk about that. Now, something that I got excited about was because yesterday I received an email from Colourpop that says, oops, we couldn't help it. Hey Chanel, thanks for ordering the She's a Mystery bag. Were you surprised? There was an error in the BFF mascara bag card included in your bag. We couldn't help but launch the mascara early. So in case you missed it, it will be available tomorrow. BFF mascara will launch this Thursday, January 24th. Set your alarms. So it says, you know, there was an error in placing the BFF mascara card, which, okay. So the mascara card says, introducing our first mascara, instantly volumizes, lifts, and lengthens lashes. She's with you from thin to thick, and you're the first one to try it. Share your haul and first impressions with I don't know my BFF mascara on Instagram. Meet your BFF on 125. Okay. So this is the mascara card that they said they sent. And of course the mascara says you're the first one to try it, so let's see. So they did send the volumizing mascara from Colourpop. They sent it on black on black. This is what it looks like. It's the BFF mascara. So it just says BFF all around. That's cute. And then it says Colourpop BFF volumizing mascara. So that's very cool that they put this in the mystery bag. I think that's very exciting. And the mystery bags are no longer available. I checked the website, so if you didn't get one, I'm sorry. Alright, next up is they have an ultra blotted lip product in there, and this is in the color Doozy. I haven't tried the ultra blotted lips yet. I've tried the satin, I've tried the matte, and you know, the glossy of course, but I haven't tried the blotted, so I will try that next. So that's one eye product, one lip product. Next up is a lippy stick in the color Ziggy, and it's a matte X, so these were like the ultra matte ones, and it's like a brown color, so brownish red, kind of like a clay brick red. And I actually I have like a really pretty pink in the matte X lippy sticks, and I went on the website looking for these and I didn't see them, so I have to go back and look and see if they still have them, or if, you know, that's just something they put in here. Alright, so next up is a pressed powder shadow. I'm not going to open it because I don't know. I don't really I've never tried their pressed powders. These typically like require Z palettes, and I don't have a Z palette. I don't know, it just hasn't really been my thing. It looks like a pretty color though, like a pinky champagne color. Alright, next is a Super Shock highlighter. cheek. Yes, it's the highlight. Yeah, so it's a highlighter. It's pearlized. It's called Pinch Me. And it is a, I can see why they say pearlized, because it's an iridescent pink color. So hopefully the camera can pick up on that, and if not, like, I'm gonna do an overall shot at the end so that everybody can, you guys can really see the colors. All right, next up is a Super Shock shadow, which is what I usually get. It's an ultra glitter shadow, and this is in the color Party of 5. This is like a mauve-y iridescent color as well. It shifts to kind of like blue, so kind of mermaidy. Ooh. Alright, so we got an ultra glossy lip in Champagne Mammy. I think this is one of their top rated lip glosses, so I wanted to try this one. Thank you guys. Ooh, and we have a Luxe lipstick. Shout out to Colourpop for the new products. Ooh, this packaging is really pretty. Okay, so the rose gold packaging is awesome, amazing. I might not even want to use this. And then it has stars all on it. This is so cute. Like, this is adorable. I love it. Alright, so the color is like a muted rose color. And you can tell that it's like very, very matte. It's the Velvet Blur. So that's, I can see what they're talking about. I have to try that. And you know what? The packaging is actually really nice. It's really sturdy too. Okay, so the last product that we have is another Super Shock shadow. It's also an ultra glitter shadow, and it is in the color Sequin, and that's like a coppery color, reddish copper color. Alright, so those are all the products. Shout out to Colourpop for giving us, you know, the early bird special on this mascara. So let's check it out and see what it does. Alright, so I'm going to show you the footage of the up close of this eye. Okay, so this is the eye that has no mascara. And this is the eye that does have mascara. And I still have on some liner from the day before, but whatever. I like a volumizing mascara, so I definitely want to try this out. I'll probably use it with my mascara primer that goes on the lashes to see, you know, if that does. But I mean, I do see a difference in comparison to, you know, the eye that does not have any mascara on it, and then this eye. And then it's only $8, so, you know, that's good as well. Of course, you do want to wear it throughout the day to make sure that, you know, there's no fallout and that kind of stuff. So I'll have to try that. But that is the mystery bag, guys. I think for $25, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products for $25. That is very good. I don't really know where you can get 9 products for $25. Not even at the drugstore. Maybe at the drugstore. I'll take that back, but probably not. So, shout out to Colourpop for this. I am so excited. I can't wait to use these products in a Get Ready With Me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.